at this point we have to brew it so it has high oxygen, right? Because otherwise it's not.
I think we should go in that tank.
I'm Brendan Mojica. I'm in the second year KPU brewing program. Today we're going to be working on our signature series Naughty Bee, which is a nitro milk stout. It's got low ABV and some roasted malts in there to give it a nice milk chocolate flavor and a little bit of sweetness at the end. The signature beer series is basically like a capstone project for the second year students. So culmination of all the skills, calculations we've learned, and all the brewing experience we've gotten over the 2 years. So we got to put that all together into one recipe.
I don't think
we've hit target both times.
Yeah,
I don't think we added lactic acid either time.
No, I don't think either times we've added lactic.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is thick.
We don't see a lot of the sweet dark beers that we really wanted, particularly. Some of them are a little too sweet for us, so we want to try something new. We added French oak to it as well, so in the BBT it's going to sit with some oak. Kind of gives it a nice tannic and oaky flavor and a little bit of vanilla from the French oak, so it kind of pairs with the sweetness a little bit. And we wanted a little bit of lower ABV in the alcohol section too there, just to lighten the mouthfeel, make it a little more drinkable.
Seen any purple in here?
This one turned purple before. Now we're good on these.
Awesome.
We didn't do nitro last time we wanted to. We're really excited to do it this time. The nitrogen adds a nice, like, thick, creamy mouthfeel to the beer, and we think that will complement the sweet stout perfectly. So I think it'll go well with the style.
Giggling.
We're good.
Ever so slightly.
All right, now that we're all done transferring to that fermentation vessel, we gotta wait about 2 weeks until we can package our beer.
We are the first group in the Signature Student Beer Series. There is 5 more after us, and we're going to be selling ours on February 6th.
Good job.